Welcome to Curie Electronics. Today we are going to see how to use 7805 as a variable voltage regulator. We know 7805 voltage regulators are fixed voltage regulators, but how to use them as variable voltage regulator? So this is the given question. Here input voltage is 20 volt. We have to find the output voltage. If the second pin was connected to ground, 7805 has got 3 pins. If second pin was connected to ground, then it is a fixed voltage regulator. But here it is not connected to ground, it is connected to a reference voltage. So this is the actual question. What is the output voltage of the following circuit? So 20 volt is the input. The second pin is connected to the potential divider output side. There is a reference feedback to the second pin. The question is, what is V out? Options are given: 10 volt, 15 volt, 20 volt, 5 volt. We have to calculate what is the output voltage. So this 7805 can be used as a variable voltage regulator also. So how do you solve this? See, when you get a question like this, what is V out? V out equal to Vxx plus Vxx upon R1 plus IQ. IQ is the quiescent current multiplied by R2. This equation you have to use. Here Xx means the last 2 digits of the regulator. If it is 05, you have to use 5. If it is 12, you have to use 12. So like that you can find out. So this is the basic equation. So now this quiescent current, that is IQ, quiescent current, it will be between 4 milliamps to 5 milliamps for a 7805 regulator. So for the normal calculations, for the rough calculations, this IQ we can neglect. So here, if we want to find the output voltage, so what is V out? V out equal to, what is Vxs here? It is 7805. So 5 volt is the Vxs plus 5 upon R1. What is the R1 value? 1 kilo ohm. 1 kilo ohm. So see here, across this resistor, across the resistor, you will get 5 volt. So for that, we have applied the equation and wrote 5 upon 1 plus IQ. For rough calculations, we can neglect it. So it is 0. Quiescent current I have taken as 0. Then what is the value of R2? R2 is 2 kilo ohm, 2. Now what do you get? 5 plus 5 multiplied by 2, it is 10. So you'll get 15 volt. It is simple, right? Once you know this equation, it is very simple. Don't get doubt regarding the milliamps, kilo ohms, because whenever I solve these kind of questions, what do? We will take voltage in volts, current in milliamps, resistance in what do you take? Kilo ohms. So we got 15 volt. So what is the answer? So answer option B is the right answer for this question. Let's take one more question. What is the current through RL, load resistor he has given? Now here what you have to understand, from here there is a IQ current flows. IQ current means if there is no load also this current flows. So this IQ current comes here, IQ, that is the quiescent current. And here through this resistor IR current will flow. And here through the load IL flows. The load current equal to what? IR plus IQ. Now what is the question? What is the current through RL? And we have seen it's a 7805 regulator. So across the 100 ohm resistor, what is going to be the voltage? Yes, you might have solved it already. It is 5 volt. So what is IR? IR equal to 5 upon 100 ohm. So what do you get? If you take it as kilo ohms, what it is? Whatever is easy for you, I will take it in kilo ohms only. So IR is equal to 0.1 kilo ohm. So it is 50. 50, what is the unit? I already said you. I already told it is 50 milliamps. Now what is the value of IL? IL we know it is sum of IR plus IQ. IQ is 5 milliamps, or else we can neglect that current IQ. So here if you neglect that current, what is the right option? Option A is the right answer, 50 milliamps. This IR will flow through RL, also the quiescent current also comes, but we don't have a 55 milliamps option. That means he has neglected that part. So it is 50 milliamps is the right answer. If you like the video, please share with your friends and don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.